Hello again. This is another in my series of videos about stage presence. Now, a lot of people sort of struggle to actually sum up what is stage presence. And it is slightly enigmatic. It is one of those things that you tend to go, that person does have stage presence, that person doesn't. And it's actually quite hard to tell whether you have stage presence. If you're not sure, ask people who've seen you present, see what they say, and think about how you can boost that stage presence. One of the ways you can absolutely boost your stage presence is with your posture. Now, really, this is just about being upright and it's about being open. Now, hopefully open body language comes naturally to you anyway, but try not to clasp your hands in front of you. Think of your hands as repelling magnets. Every time they come together, they just get bounced apart again. So they come together and they bounce apart. You certainly don't want to be wringing your hands. But I think try to hold your shoulders back, head up, now not leaning up clearly, and certainly if you're looking down on maybe people who are sat in the audience watching you, who are below you, but actually on the whole, it's an upright, open, strong position. It's nothing to do with how tall you are or how broad you are. I've seen some people who are diminutive who have got the most amazing stage presence. It's nothing to do with whether you're standing or sitting. Again, I've seen people sit down for presentations who have amazing stage presence. But try to stand tall, strong, open. Whether you're seated, you can again be tall, you can sit tall, strong, open, and just hold that posture as you go. Again, it's a small thing, but actually it's an important part of your stage presence. While you're here, please do hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified next time I put up content on YouTube. If you've come to this via the YouTube search while you're here, in the description below, you'll find a link to my email newsletter. Subscribe to that and you'll get lots of goodies every other week. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.